Uh-oh. My angle's about it. There's not a lot of like room to hit this. It's all a short drag and everything.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't got enough.
I think there's a better spot.
I don't know.
Took a while to get the snow knocked down.
I know, it's going to be a while if we try to keep doing that.
Could try that fucking one back in the beginning.
The one closer to the ramp?
Yeah, that fucked off one. You can see where it just spits snow and doesn't go off the ramp.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me get up out of this spot. Oh no! Damn it.
He's like fully committed to cameramanning. He's like laying in the fucking shit.
No! Dude, that's the best shots we made.